today we're showing all the things, all the rides we got here. So we're starting with this. The build videos is not published yet when I say this, but it probably will before. No, it won't. Yeah. So basically, it is the Stig, as I call it. The mini unimog we had. Took the body off, shortened it, lowered it, new engine, electric start and everything. Lowered the seat and like, yeah, so it's lowered lawnmower. Yeah. I don't have much more to say about this. Actually, we're gonna take price with include prices in this video. So I bought this for $50. I'm saying dollars or euros, that's pretty similar, and I haven't counted it out, but it should be around 50 euros or so. And then I spent at least 200 on spare parts to the other engine. This engine I bought for $90 or euros, roughly. Yeah. So that's it. Prices for this. I'm gonna get the next one. Up my pitbike. Yeah, it's not much to say about this. 50cc. I did some stuff. I removed all the plastics, just all the light in the front. Yeah, and then I haven't done much yet actually. I replaced tires and stuff. I am currently trying to sell this, and yeah. I bought it for, I don't really remember, 180 euros or dollars roughly. Then tires was, yeah, not cheap. And I replaced the battery too. That's what we've done to this. Yeah. This have been really fun, but now it's time to replace it. And I'm gonna go have a Swedish fika before we're doing the next one. Yeah, so I'm gonna let my cameraman just take the bike, show the bike, and
yes.
Then we go and have a Swedish fika. So this is our custom bike. Bigger tire in front, smaller in the rear. Double ring. Rear view mirror, lights, showing the fender. Yeah, like that. Basically, that's all we're done to this. Yeah. So it's gonna go. By the way, you dropped your lip from the bike.
What?
The basket, or what we should call it.
Or tog den vägen?
Där nere.
Ja.
So,
race! Yes? Bye bye!
here we got the complete collection. We're gonna show the boat because this, yeah,
We won't move.
we want more. It's made of completely made of plywood. I have a video on it. I haven't posted yet, but we're getting there. I need to edit some stuff too. This is just plywood and some marine sealing thing I bought for, I think it was 25. It wasn't cheap. Dollars or euros roughly. Yeah.
Big propeller.
Big prop.
Twice the size of a real boat propeller.
Yeah.
Of a small boat.
Absolutely. Yeah, so let's have Swedish fika and then we're gonna...
Continue down the line.
Yeah. This is my off-road and utility lawnmower build. It's an MTD, as you can see. It's not really much to say about this. We equipped it with straps, or what we should call it, tow straps, basically, to tow logs and stuff.
And your broken vehicles.
And my broken vehicles, yes. And we did some stuff. We moved the, you look here, the exhaust pipe goes out there. This one, this is the muffler. Yeah, it was hanging underneath here before. Now we moved it up here and did this. We did this winter. It's a video on it. And we installed that grey plate there. Yeah. And to the grey plate I attached a winch. We can pull 800 kilos with this. Prices on this is so that I bought the mower for 50 euros or dollars roughly. And the winch cost 80. But I had already bought it for the tractor, which we'll be getting next. So it kinda don't count. Yeah. What color is your box car? Anyway, this is the original machine. Box car, homemade tractor, whatever. When I started building this, I was turning it into a tractor. And the name have stayed, so to say, even though it's turned into what it is. I'm also recording another video today, telling the story of this, so we're gonna do that also. But this, yeah, it's pretty similar lawnmower. It's the same model as that one, just newer. The base is newer. The engine is changed, and then we built all this. And we got lights and stuff inside there. Or, yeah, maybe we can turn it on. You probably know it if you have watched the other videos, or if not, just watch. Oh, come on.
No.
So, and we have lights inside. Or a LED strip. So, and we got the little AC unit. Yeah, so it's kind of... But this thing is insanely loud. Anyway. Anyway, this one I'm also installed on the truck. And we put Toyota Tundra leathers on the back, this one is very hard to talk about prices. The mower was free. We paid 40 for the engine. But then it's like windows, these aren't cheap. I think these are like 800 for two. No, for one. 80. $80 or euros. 800 Swedish crowns. Was getting kind of wrong there. 80 for one sheet of this, which is this and this.
So there's like 3 sheets?
I think it's like 3 sheets, yeah. And plywood prices are sky high, at least in Sweden, and these little wood pieces weren't cheap either. So, I mean, wood here, we're probably talking 300, 400?
Yeah.
3 figures at least. Then electrical things. I was gifted these lights by a company that makes forestry machines called Ecolog. The battery and electrical stuff, the rest I bought myself. The AC was free. Yeah. Paint. And I also paid for this. This is kind of like, I have no idea about the price on this machine. These lights, free.
From me.
Yeah. Not original.
No.
So yeah, it's kind of convenient to have. Yeah, so I'm gonna go get, I think it must be the last one. Last machine. I think it is. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. This is the only thing that does not have electric start. And it never wants to start. I used to check that. Turns out we're out of gas. I thought it was running a little weird. I'm just gonna take this. too little room to do a donut here. Anyway, last machine on the list is this. My VRL Aggressa quad. I bought it this year, so it's kind of new to me. Anyway, it's a 250. I know there's a 125 of this, and that's kind of, it's small for me. The guy I bought this from had a 125. He was selling two, and that was the original plan to buy the 125, but I came home with this, and I'm happy for it. I don't have really that much to say about it more than it's dark. Yeah, there's a video on this, that when I bought it, and more are coming. This one wants 1,250 euros or dollars roughly. So the most expensive one yet. Yeah, but it was worth every single little penny. Yeah.
Genium.
Nice. It's stuck. Oh.
One eternity later.
Sluta filma eller?